Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get pineapple in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Let me show you my pineapples. I've just planted the pineapples and now it's time to harvest the pineapples. Okay, if you want to get the pineapples guys, you need to have the pineapple seed. You need to purchase it from Blanc store, and now she's at the Winter Utopia, so we can go there. But let me bring you to the Winter Utopia. Alright, now I'm with Blanc, and then I'm going to open up her gardening store. So you can buy the pineapple seed here, guys. It costs 15 gold. But if you want to buy this pineapple seed, you need to have level 3 or level 4 for the gardening hobby. Wait, let me check it first. I'm going to show you the gardening hobby. Okay, you can unlock the pineapple seed after you reach level 4 of the gardening hobby. And after you get the pineapple seed, you can plant it on your garden. Thank you guys, and that's how we can get the pineapple in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.